The next part I'm going to cover is the midpoint formula. And the midpoint formula means you have to divide in two equal parts. So you still have two points, but now you're finding the midpoint. So again, the midpoint is a halfway point, so it makes sense that we take the x's, the two x coordinates, and divide them by 2, and the y coordinates, add those up, divide by 2. So again, just like I did on distance formula, I want to identify the x coordinates and the y coordinate for the first one, and for the second x coordinate and the second y coordinate. And now I can do the formula. 7 plus 9 divided by 2 gives you 8. And then 5 plus negative 1 divided by 2 gives you 5 plus negative 1 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. So your solution is going to be a coordinate. So your solution is 8, which is your x coordinate, 2.